So what are we doing today, Glenn?
Vaccinating heifers.
Hey guys, welcome to the Cow Emporium. I'm Annette, and we're back out at the squeeze today. We're running our replacement heifers through. As Glenn said, we're giving them 2 vaccinations, deworming, and we're going to write down their number. These are replacement heifers, so they're not quite a year old, these guys. They were born this year, so we've sorted out 40 that we're going to keep. Because last year we culled pretty heavily. We're only going into calving with about 93 cows to calve this year. So we're hoping to keep back these guys. Now we still have time, like if something comes up, they're not going to be put out with a bull till May. So if we decide that for some reason they don't make the cut, then we got time to ship them still. Glenn's just getting the squeeze set up again. These are the 2 vaccinations that we have to give this time. These are both subcutaneous, so they both go under the skin. They're only 2 cc's each, which is good. This one here, it's one that it's a repeated vaccination, and you need to be so careful to make sure that your animals have been vaccinated with it before they were pregnant, because if you don't do that, then and you give this to an animal who is pregnant, then they'll abort their calf. Again, I'm going to use 16 gauge 3/4 inch needles, and I like to, especially when they're sub-Q, I like to change them pretty frequently because the skin of the cow is pretty thick, and so the needles start to dull. It's harder work to poke it through the skin just because you don't want it to go into the muscle, these ones. And so I got my transfer needle. This one's come pre-mixed, which is pretty normal for a subcutaneous vaccination, but this guy here is not. So I kind of feel like they maybe are going towards wanting to do sub-Q vaccinations all around, so that because not everybody is responsible in how they vaccinate their cows, especially the young ones, whatever. And if you put the needle into a part of the animal that would make good meat to sell, then somebody could end up having like this injection site in their roast or something, which is not ideal. We always do our in the muscle vaccinations in the neck. I'm gonna take my guns and make sure they're both set at 2 mils. Put a little bit of air into the bottle, and it makes it easier, so then there's not an airlock the whole time you're trying to fill your gun. This is the shadows. It's still frosty. It's noon. Still frosty, but it turned out to be a really beautiful day. Good management or good luck?
We're done. We're done preg testing and all that that stuff now, so. That feels good having that out of the way.
No kidding. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Bye for now.